Unleash your inner Spielberg and transform your mobile into a video creating powerhouse with Lumen5. First, fire up your mobile browser and head over to Lumen5.com, since they don't have a dedicated mobile app. Now, let's pick a template, browse through the options, or use the search bar to find the perfect fit for your video's purpose and style. Tap on a template to preview it. Time to add your message. Tap the text boxes on the screen to edit the existing text with your own words. Keep it concise and engaging for maximum impact. Next, let's spice things up visually. Tap the Media tab to access Lumen5's extensive library of images and videos, or upload your own from your phone's gallery. Simply drag and drop your chosen media onto the video frame. You can resize and reposition it to get the perfect composition. Now, for the finishing touches, explore the customization options to adjust colors, fonts, and branding to match your style. Before you finalize, preview your video by tapping the play button to ensure everything looks and sounds just right. Happy with your masterpiece? Hit that publish button. Choose your desired video quality, and download your stunning video straight to your mobile. And that's it. You've just created a professional video on your mobile using Lumen5. Now go forth and share your story with the world.